Then we started to crochet the wing parts. We use our light blue thread. Wrap the thread with left hand. Make a magic ring. Chain 1, then crochet 8 single crochet stitches into the ring. Then make 8 single crochet stitches. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the circle. Slip stitch into the first stitch. First round is completed. Chain 1 to begin round 2. We need to make 8 single crochet increases, which means working to single crochet stitches into the same stitch. The first set is completed. Start the second set. The second round is completed. Then we started the third round of crocheting. First, we slip stitches 3 stitches. We've already done a slip stitch. Then continue to hook in the second stitch. The second slip stitch is done. In the next stitch, hook the third slip stitch. After completing that, continue to single crochet 2 stitches. After completing that, continue to half double crochet 2 stitches. Hook needle around the thread and pass through the next stitch. And pull the thread through. Pass through all 3 loops at once. 1 half double crochet stitch is completed. Next, single crochet 1 double crochet. Hook the needle and wound the thread. Pass through the next stitch and pull the thread out. Now there are 3 loops on the crochet hook. Pass through the first 2 loops. Then pass the 2 loops behind. Chain 1. And then single crochet 1 picket stitched onto the double crochet. After completing that, single crochet 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Continue to half double crochet 2 stitches. Continue to single crochet 2 stitches. Then we slipped stitches 3 stitches. Leave a long thread for sewing. We need to make 2 in total.